BNP Paribas Review, my honest user experience and insights on the bank's services. BNP Paribas is one of Europe's largest and most established banks, but how does it actually perform for everyday users? I decided to find out, and after months of experience, here's my honest take. At first glance, BNP Paribas stands out for its global presence. With operations in over 70 countries, it's a major player in retail, corporate and investment banking. What impressed me most was how easy it was to open an account and access a wide range of financial services, from savings and credit cards to mortgage and investment options. Most people get this wrong. They think large international banks are always impersonal. But BNP Paribas surprised me. Their digital tools are modern, the mobile app is well designed, and customer support was responsive whenever I needed help. The online banking platform allows instant transfers, bill payments, and international wire services with clear transparency. If you travel frequently or handle international finances, this is where BNP Paribas really shines. Their multi-currency support and competitive exchange rates make global transactions simple. However, it's not perfect. The biggest downside I found was that local branch services can feel a bit formal or bureaucratic, especially in larger cities. Waiting times can vary, and paperwork for certain services like loans or investment accounts can be lengthy. On the bright side, BNP Paribas security is top tier. Two-factor authentication, real-time fraud alerts, and dedicated customer protection give users real peace of mind. Overall, BNP Paribas offers a premium experience with strong digital infrastructure and global convenience. It's best for professionals, travelers, or anyone who values reliability and international access. If you're looking for a stable, secure, and feature-rich banking experience, BNP Paribas is definitely worth considering.